So here I am, still on the riverbank over the lovely weekend that just went by. The weekend was just gorgeous and the sun was just shining on the water. Makes it look so beautiful, just magical. I was this close to touching the water. It was scary, but I just roll with it, even though I don't like these things. I don't like water. But for YouTube, I came out of my comfort zone and I went on the riverbank to just have a lovely, lovely day. And it was absolutely gorgeous. So please enjoy the view and we'll talk later. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you are, what time you're watching this. So I went into Chinatown today over the weekend and it was a lovely day. The sun was out and we thought, let's stop into Chinatown and get some Chinese food. And it wasn't disappointing. I stopped at this restaurant, but before I stopped there, I went around and looked at other places. Nothing was like this. So I stopped there. The food was great. It was £16 and all you can eat. And I sat down and I really enjoyed the food. It was yummy. It was absolutely yummy. So I was asking the guy, is the food nice? And he goes, come in and try and you will see for yourself. So that's what we did. We just went right in and it was lovely. So here I am in Leicester Square. This is a square that does all the celebrity premieres and all that sort of stuff, all the movie premieres and all that. But I'm in Leicester Square. Leicester Square is a place that it's vibrant, it's full of life. It's people hustling, like you can see there, people selling their arts and crafts. So after we went to Chinatown, we came back and we just had a bubble tea and just chill. But I won't have any more. That's my last. It's another lovely day. Another lovely day in the neighborhood. It's not the moon, it's the sun. Hi everybody. So today was my day off. I had to go to my doctor today because I was having these really bad headaches. And I went to get my glasses. New glasses. So I went to my doctor and I found out that my blood pressure is very high. 173 over 103. I just got into work. So I was showing you last night where I have, because of my headache that I've been having, I have this blood pressure machine on me. So I'm going to show it to you. So here it is. And it's oops, I want to show you. Oops, don't drop my phone. It's strapped. So it's strapped onto this is the bag that I'm carrying. And this is the blood pressure machine. I'm in the office at work. I'm at work. This is a blood pressure machine. And I'm carrying. There we go. So it shows you how, because I went to the doctor yesterday. It's my day off. I went to the doctor, and my blood pressure was 173 over 103. It was rocket high. So my doctor said straight away, we're gonna monitor your blood pressure. So yeah, I feel better today. My head's not hurting me, and I'm trying to control my stress level. It's not my work, it's just family. So yeah, so today I've been monitoring it. It's very good. It's gone right down to pretty much normal. I never had this before in my life. I just found out yesterday, but it's something that I have to deal with and just stop stressing. So yeah, this is an update. But I'm at work now. I'm in the staff toilet, so it's my blood pressure machine. It's strapped onto my arm here. So here, and I've got a little pouch here. Quite cool actually. But yeah, it's not cool to have a blood pressure monitor on you. I would love to show you the strap, but I don't know. Hold on, I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, so you can see the machine, the blood pressure pouch and the strap is strapped onto my arm. So yeah, there you go. This is my jumper, this is the machine, and this is the cable. Yeah, so that's it for now. I'll keep you posted with anything that's going on. Later. I'm at work. I just got into work. Sun is shining so beautifully outside. Oh my God, I wish I was off this weekend again. But no. Anyway, I'll see you later. Keep you posted.